Good afternoon, guys. Keith here with my 94 Project Trans Am. I just finished installing my Midwest chassis, front bumper support with fog light brackets. Very nice quality, powder coated in black. Come out really nice. Took about 50 pounds off the front end with the stock bar that usually bolts in right here. There's a stock bar that's bolted in here on each side, which is a lot of weight from the factory. Bolts up really nice. Comes with new hardware. I gotta grab my fog lights out because they're in my bags. I'll bolt those up. They bolt up right to these two bracket holes right here. These two here on each side. Right here. Unfortunately, the kit doesn't come with the fog light bracket bolts, so I either have to go to the hardware store and get new ones, or I get them from the shop tomorrow. We'll see. I want to get stainless ones to match these right here. The ones I have at the shop are black. I want to get something to match these, so I might go to the hardware store and pick some up. That way they're the same color. Oh, my baby's getting ready for paint. Getting exciting. She can look pretty. Tuxedo black. VPG water base. This summer. Get her painted.